Welcome back to our channel. My name is Malcolm. I am one of the SEO specialists here at Pearl Lemon. In this quick video, we'll be highlighting how you can do keyword research for SEO. And in this example, we'll be using Ahrefs to do that. Of course, if you may know or if you're new to SEO, there are many tools in which you can do keyword research using, but one of my favorite, the one that has been working for me for a while, is Ahrefs. So I'll link this link down in the description for your convenience. But the first thing that you want to do is go to ahrefs.com. Awesome. And when you get to ahrefs.com, most likely you arrive to this page right here. You want to navigate to free tools. So when you're typing in your Google search, you write in Ahrefs free tools. Awesome. So most likely you arrive to this page right here. So now that you've done that, since we're doing keyword research, we want to actually leave keyword generator. Maybe not, let's not focus on the other specific tools. I want to leave it here at keyword generator. And this is where we want to put in a keyword. So for example, a keyword is practically the word that you want to be ranking for, or if you are a business owner, the service that you offer, and so on. So in this example, we just use a simple one. Let's go with router. Awesome. And then once you've got that down, you want to click on start. Awesome. So this is obviously where you would want to put your custom keyword, and you want to pick on location. Like for example, if you're in the UK, you want to click on the drop down and you want to click on the location that you are at. In this example, let's leave the US. Awesome. So you see that your keyword can be carried over. What's pretty cool about this tool is you can choose the search engine that you want to check for the keyword for. Like for example, there's Bing, there's Google, sorry, there's Bing, there's YouTube, there's Amazon as well. So definitely something to keep in mind if you want to optimize specifically for a certain search engine. Awesome. Now that we've got that in the bag, we're going to click on find keywords. Awesome. So you'd see these are the different sort of keywords that pop out if you type in the router for the example that we used. So you see this is the one that has the most amount of volume. So volume is practically the most amount of people searching for that specific keyword. So if I were to take you here, so we discuss router, so there's the keywords, as you see here, all these are keywords. So since we're using the free version of Ahrefs, it only shows us a limited amount of keyword difficulty, and I'll explain shortly why that keyword difficulty is important. So these are the top ranking keywords, as you see here. If just type in the router, and this is keyword difficulty. So keyword difficulty is practically just the indication of how hard it will be for you to rank for that keyword. Like for example, if you're a new business, most likely your keyword difficulty is a little bit lower. So you want to not go for a keyword like this. You want to go for what we call low-hanging fruit, where it is a longer term keyword of the same keyword. Like for example, routers for sale and so on. So yes. So keyword difficulty, as you see here. So yeah, if you're new, you don't want to go anything over 5. This is the volume as we discussed, and when last it was updated. So that's how you can do your keyword research using Ahrefs for free. As I mentioned, we release videos on a daily, so leave a like, comment, subscribe to this channel, stalk us at pearllemon.com. We can't wait to hear from you. Till the next video.